Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best wood routers, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. DeWalt 2.25 HP Electronic Variable Speed Plunge Router. Unleash precision and power with the DeWalt Plunge Router. Its robust 1/4 HP, 12-amp motor smoothly tackles the toughest hardwoods. Experience ultimate control with electronic variable speed from 8,000 to 24,000 RPM, full feedback for constant speed under load, and a soft start feature. Achieve flawless accuracy with a microfine depth adjustment ring, precise to 1/64 increments. The tool-free steel motor cam lock and quick-release motor latches make depth adjustments and base changes swift and secure. Enjoy superior bit visibility and a cleaner workspace with integral dust collection that captures 95% of debris. The detachable cord set adds convenience and serviceability. DeWalt delivers power and precision for your most demanding woodworking projects, crafted from durable aluminum and alloy steel. Number 2. Avid Power 6.5A Compact Router Kit. Elevate your woodworking with the Avid Power 6.5A Compact Router Kit. Powered by a 6.5-amp, 1.25 HP motor, this router delivers robust performance at 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, with variable speed control for precise routing and trimming across various materials. Its smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system ensures accuracy for cabinetry and woodworking tasks, while dual LED lights brighten dim workspaces. The ergonomic rubber-covered handle offers a comfortable grip, and the quick-locking system simplifies depth and base changes. Built with a durable aluminum body and base, includes a dust hood for a clean job site. The kit comes with 5 router bits, edge and roller guides, 3/8 and 1/4 collets, a wrench, and a 12.1-foot cord for versatile, professional results. Number 3. Twowin 800W Compact Router and Trimmer Kit. Unleash your woodworking potential with the Twowin handheld router. Its powerful 800W motor delivering 30,000 RPM provides abundant power for diverse routing and trimming tasks. This compact wood router includes 15 tungsten carbide bits in a handy wooden case, perfect for precise edging, trimming, veining, and grooving. Crafted from quality aluminum and ABS, it ensures high accuracy with a transparent base for a clear view and stable straight guides. The scale is easily adjustable for precise work. Ideal for wood processing, cabinet making, and DIY projects, this tool handles chamfering, grooving, and curve cutting with ease. You get a complete kit with guides, wrenches, and more, making it a valuable addition for both professionals and hobbyists. Get Twowin, get crafting. Number 4. Tino 650W Variable Speed Palm Router Kit. Unlock precision woodworking with the Tino Palm Router. Its powerful 650W motor, delivering 15,000 to 30,000 RPM, tackles various routing and edging applications with ease. Benefit from the 6-speed stepless adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the speed for any material, enhancing efficiency and extending cutter life. The ergonomic design features a sturdy, rubber-covered clear base for excellent grip, control, and stability, plus tool-free depth adjustment. Perfect for cabinet making, chamfering, grooving, and DIY projects. This kit comes loaded with a bonus 12-piece router bit set, straight and trimming guides, wrenches, and a portable toolbox, giving you everything to start. Tino makes professional results accessible for all your woodworking needs. Number 5. Metabo 800W Wood Router Kit. Meet the Metabo 800W Wood Router Kit, your go-to tool for woodworking excellence. Equipped with an 800W pure copper motor, it spins at 30,000 RPM for smooth, precise cuts in wood, plastic, and veneer. The adjustable see-through base with a built-in scale ensures spot-on depth adjustments for perfect grooves and edges. Its rubberized handle boosts comfort and control, minimizing fatigue during long projects. This kit includes 15 versatile 1/4-inch router bits and 2 trim guides, organized in a wooden box with clear instructions. Ideal for cabinetry, crafts, chamfering, grooving, and DIY tasks, the Metabo router combines power, precision, and ease to elevate your woodworking game.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.